How to be a Postmates driver app. In order to be a Postmates driver, you have to basically go to their website and go to deliver.postmates.com. I repeat, deliver.postmates.com. When you come to the delivery website, there you can see the option that says sign up to deliver. So you have to just tap on the sign up to deliver option. Therein, you have to simply log in with your Uber account if you have, because Uber is affiliated with Postmates and Postmates is one of the products of Uber. So now you can go ahead and log into your respective account. You can also continue with Google or Apple ID. From there on, you should be able to follow the on-screen instructions and meet their driving requirements in order to be eligible for a Postmates driver. This way you'll be able to be a Postmates driver. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.